Hey, it's WaneedaWrestling, y'all. How's it going, guys? Happy Trading Card Thursday. Yes. Oh, you guys, I cannot tell you guys how happy I am to be back here for another weekly blaster box opening. And so without further ado, I don't want to waste any time. I want to go ahead and get right into it. This week, we are going to go ahead and open up, ta-da! That's right, we are opening up 2024 AEW trading cards. So let's take a look and see what we're going to pull this week. All right, now, for those of you who are new to my channel or are not familiar with this series, okay, this series right here has a total of 12 cards per pack, and there is 4 packs in total, okay? So take a look here. Let's see what we got there. All right. Let's go ahead and start with this one here, and let's see who is going to start us off for this week. Okay, we got Bandito to start us off for this week. We have Samoa Joe. Okay. We have our tag team cards of the Bang Bang Gang. Okay. We have Absolute Ricky Starks, Mr. Sammy Guevara. We got ourselves a diamond plate here of Mr. Trent, Miss Willow Nightingale. Another tag team here, Best Friends. Mr. Powerhouse Hobbs, Marina Shafir. Okay, and to close us out with pack number 1, Top Flight. All right. Okay, well, that first pack, nothing too crazy, so let's take a look and see what pack number 2 has for us here. Okay. Got Mr. Malachi Black, Miss Sky Blue. Okay, another tag team here of the Guns, Mr. Dustin Rhodes, the lovely Harley Cameron. We have ourselves a gold of Mr. Don Callis. Ooh, check this out, you guys. Very nice. Check that out. Yeah. This is a cool card. Flying through the air of Mr. Rey Fenix. Very nice. Very nice. And look who's right behind him, his brother. Okay. Another tag team card there. And then Miss Ruby Soho. Got ourselves a Nick Wayne. And to finish us out with this pack, another tag team card. All right, you guys, we are just breezing right on through with this pack. Again, only 4 packs, but there is 12 cards to a pack. So, all right, here we go. We got Mr. Willie Yuta, Mr. Mark Sterling, Miss Anna J, Mr. Takeshka, Mr. Adam Copeland. Got ourselves a lovely gold here of Mr. Wardlow. Oh, nice. Check this out, you guys. Look at that. Got ourselves a double or nothing card here. Yeah, look at this one. Very nice, very nice. Cool, cool, cool. Got Athena. Got ourselves Mr. Darby Allin. Keith Lee. Got ourselves Mr. Posley there. And to wrap us up here with this pack number 3, Dr. Britt Baker, DMD. All right, you guys, this is our last pack. Here we go. Come on, let's put all the positive energy out there. Please, please, please. Give us something super rare, something super awesome. Maybe a Kenny Omega, MJF, Max Caster. All right, I know, I'm probably asking for too much, but hey, you gotta put it out there, right? All right, let's see here. I love him. Yay, look who's starting us out right here. Pack number 4. Yes, super happy. All right, Mr. Nana next. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Jeff Hardy. Mr. Daniel Garcia. Ooh, check out this tag team here. Stir. And Mr. Darby Allin. All right, got ourselves a Dazzlers here. Mr. Jay White. Nice. Got ourselves a canvas there of Mr. Samoa Joe flexing that gun show over there. I like it. All right, got Commander. Oh, my bad. She done slipped out. So I'm gonna put this to the side. Okay. Miss Deonna Purrazzo. Miss Julia Hart. Mr. Paul Turner. And to close us out for this week, we got Mr. Adam Cole. Baby. All right, you guys, that's it. That is it for our second blaster box of the 2024 AEW trading cards. There's a couple of cool little cards in here, nothing too like, oh my gosh, amazing, and stuff, but you know, it is pretty cool to see again some of like these new versions or new takes that they have on the cards here. So yep, that's gonna do it for me, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every single one of you, and to all of you who reached out to me during the last couple of weeks with regards to the hurricanes and stuff like that. I really seriously appreciate it. You guys have no idea like how much you guys made my heart smile, knowing that there were so many of you that were just like genuinely concerned and making sure that like I was okay. Thankfully, I didn't suffer anything major, any type of losses or anything like that. So, but again, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for all the love and, you know, like I said, reaching out. Okay, you guys are the best. Thank you. But yes, tune into next week, guys, where we go ahead and open up another blaster box. I don't know, you guys, should I continue with trying to open up more 2024 blaster box, or should I get back into my you know, stash that I have here and open up some of the older series, or should I hop back over to WWE? I don't know. You guys let me know. Let me know what you guys want to see, okay? But until then, you guys take care, and remember, guys, wrestling is life. Bye.